In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple ways to alter the Sophia vest. First, I'll show you how to lengthen and shorten the torso or shoulder straps before sewing. This will have to be done with the pattern, so grab your front and back pieces. Starting with the front, draw a straight line roughly in the center, below the dart, making sure not to draw through the actual dart. For the back, draw a straight line roughly centered below the armhole. Cut these pieces in half on the line. To lengthen, lay out the front pieces and space out however much you need for length, making sure the center front is lined up straight. Repeat for the back, making sure the pieces are spaced out the exact same amount. Tape these in place and draw the middle lines, connecting the top and bottom pieces. For the back, we'll connect the armpit corner with the bottom waist corner. For the front, you'll connect the bottom of the dart with the bottom of the waist corner. To re-space out the tie notches evenly, measure the length between the top notch and the bottom notch. Divide this measurement by 3. For example, my measurement was 9 centimeters, which divided by 3 is 3 centimeters. Starting at that top notch, mark down by 3 centimeters, making a new notch. Then mark down another 3 centimeters, creating another notch. Your measurement should be different, but this is just an easier way to explain it. Make sure everything is taped in place and cut out the pattern using the new lines you made. To shorten the vest, it's basically the same. Decide how short you want it and move each piece up by that amount. Make sure you move it up the same length on both pieces, and don't cover the dart on the front piece. Tape everything in place and draw your lines. Back piece is from armpit corner to waist corner, and front piece is bottom of the dart to the waist corner. Repeat the same method for making the new dart notches. Tape and cut out. Now I will show you how to lengthen or shorten the shoulder straps. Taking your front piece, draw a straight line through the middle of the shoulder strap. For the back piece, draw a straight line through the center of the armhole and back. Cut in half on the line. For the front, shorten the strap by moving it down and centering it on the bottom piece. Blend the lines on each side. To lengthen, move straight up and blend the side lines. When shortening the back, you want to keep the center back lined up straight. Starting midway up, blend the armpit hole. Repeat when lengthening. You have to shorten or lengthen the front and back evenly. So if you need to shorten the straps by a total of 3 centimeters, you take 1.5 centimeters off both the front and back. Now onto making the top reversible. A few of you were like, "Oh, Vanessa, I love this vest style, but I hate the raw edge on the ruffle." So I will show you how to encase the raw edge and also make the vest fully reversible. So it's basically like 2 vests in one. First, you'll need 2 similar fabrics. I'm using these 2 lightweight linens, in pink and green. Light to medium weight linen is best, but anything similar will look just as beautiful. The green was Natsume approved. You'll need to refer to my original Sophia tutorial, so please open it now. It's a lot to refilm, and to be honest, I really don't have the time to do that. Cut on all your pieces, except the ruffle. Follow all the steps of my original tutorial, up until 14 minutes and 57 seconds. As you can see here, I decided to use the pink fabric for the ties, since the green fabric has a little hint of pink. For the ruffle, you're going to cut one from each of your fabrics. Pin the right sides of the ruffle fabric together, making sure the points and everything match up evenly. Now sew the sides and bottom together, leaving the top open. Have your needle in the far right position, so we can line up the fabric along the outside edge of the presser foot. And when you get to the point, leave your needle down and lift your presser foot, pivoting the fabric around so you can sew a sharp point. Continue sewing all along the bottom and repeat that point technique on the other side. In order to get a pointier point, you'll need to snip off the excess fabric at the points, without clipping the seam. Flip the ruffle right side out. Iron everything out and double check that your point is pointing. Now continue the original tutorial from 16 minutes and 16 seconds. Once you're finished, you will have your very own reversible Sophia vest. I hope that was pretty straightforward. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask them in the comment section. Until next time, I love you, stay true to yourself, and always fight that good fight.